Good morning, everybody. Hello, welcome to our live trading session here at Trademy.com. Hello, guys. Hello, Emma, George. Welcome, welcome, Patrick. Hello, Stephen. Welcome to our new trading session this morning on Thursday. One day to go to the weekend. So guys, I just want to inform you, I have a bad hair day today, and that's why we will not have a webcam today. However, I see right now a great possibility on DAX, and I went long on DAX, guys. I couldn't wait more for it. I just went long DAX, and the reason why I went long DAX, I got confirmation of 3 indicators telling me it's time to go long on DAX. Guys, can you just confirm me that you hear me and you see my screen? Do you hear me? Hello? Great, Emma. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your feedback. No, you will not see me today. Hello, George. Welcome. You will not see me today. I have a bad hair day today, and that's why my webcam is switched off. My hairs are horrible today, so I couldn't do this to you guys. However, I just opened one DAX position. DAX is going upwards. It opened with a small gap and then it dropped, and I see a very, very nice pull up, and there we entered. I entered at 12,450, and I'm putting now my target prices. My stop loss is at 12,420, and my take profit is at 12,465. So great, guys. I will write it down. I have also another trade open from yesterday on gold. I will keep it going. It's a quite interesting trade. So this is what I have right now. Yesterday oil had a great day, and we had the position open on oil, and we made some money on it. It continued to drop more, and we could book some profits over there. Let me write down my trade, which I just opened. I'm long on DAX. Long on DAX. I entered at 12,450. My stop loss is at 12,420, and my take profit is at 12,465. That's cool. So, guys, what you think about Croatia? It was the first time since the World Cup started that Kyriakos and me, we had the same opinion about the game, and it came through. We both supported Croatia last night, and it worked out. I think, Kyriakos, we should put our positive energies together also for the next game. So Croatia will get the cup. What do you think? So, however, let's have a look on the markets. We open the DAX position. It's moving in our favor slowly, slowly. Let's have a look on Italy 40. Also, Italy 40 made a huge move, as you can see in the last 15 minutes. Patrick, you are angry. Why? Because of Croatia. So, Patrick made $5,500 on oil, and he took it, and I guess the market, and so he took the money, and if he wouldn't go down, yeah, let's have a look on oil. Oil had a very strong drop yesterday. It dropped from $74 per barrel to $70. It dropped $4, and it's a huge drop for oil within one day. And Patrick is a bit angry that he exited early and he didn't got more out of it. Patrick, it's okay. You will have this kind of days, and I want to repeat what Kyriakos used to say: don't chase the market. Don't chase the market. You got your money, it's okay. Just say, okay, let's go. Because there is always, if I wouldn't. Yeah, it was a Ferrari trade, right? Well, every week there are oil inventories. Every week you can trade on oil inventories and make some money. Maybe not in this extent that it drops 4K, but $4, but still, Patrick, never look back, because there is always a possibility. I will explain you what I mean. I remember last year. Now it's a Volkswagen trade. George King is saying, well, yeah, but the aim is a Ferrari, right? Patrick, aim is a Ferrari, and slowly you will get there. George is saying, at least not a Dacia. But you guys, you know, right, that Volkswagen, Audi, and Skoda, they are producing together, and their engines are almost the same, just the price are different. And Ferrari and Fiat are producing together. Maybe it's not a Ferrari trade, but a Fiat trade, you know. So Patrick, you know, I got today a fine. Good morning, Jeff. Welcome back. Patrick, I got today a fine for speeding, so I don't dream of a Ferrari. I got my fine for speeding, and well, I think with a Ferrari, I would have get every day a fine, so I don't even aim a Ferrari, you know. Let's go back to, hello, Adrian, welcome. Yes, George, for everybody who just entered our live trading session, I just wanted to inform you, I told it also earlier today, I have a bad hair day, and that's why my camera is switched off. My camera is switched off, and you will not see me today. Yes, Richard. Richard is asking me about my Brent oil position yesterday. Yes, I closed my Brent oil position. It was good. We made some money on it. Great movement. So, Jake, hello, Jake. Welcome to our nice community, trading community here. And also today, we will make some money. I feel very well, and I will be feeling much more better if we get some money in. And hello, Dean. Hello. We are quite crowded today, and it gives me a push more to make some money. I see Jake move to the professional trader course. Well done, Jake. Now that you have a bigger funded account, you have more possibilities to follow our trades and get some profits. And also we can arrange a one-to-one session, Jake, so you can really exceed all your possibilities. Furthermore, if any of you guys missed the live trading session yesterday, it will be on YouTube this morning, and you can follow it on YouTube. Richard is telling me, Elif, can I have one question? Sure. Feel free. Ask me about Brent oil. He has a question about Brent oil. Yes, please, shoot. So, until Richard will send me his question, I'm making a fast look what's going on. Italy 40 is not really moving. France, the same move as DAX, but we still looking forward to get the move. Okay, is there any chance that on daily chart it is forming a double top? Okay, let's have a look on Brent oil. He's watching the daily chart. He's looking for a double top. To be honest, I don't. What do you think, Kyriakos? Is that on the daily chart, the Brent oil, a double top? I don't think that it's a really double top. I don't think that it's a double top because you are talking for the time period from here, from the 26th of June until yesterday, right? Right, Patrick, right, Richard. I don't see, and you are referring to these two tops. One day. Yeah, UK oil 1 day, and I think he's referring to these tops over here, but I think the bottom is too high to become a double top.
Unmuted.
Patrick?
No, it's Richard.
Richard. Okay. So let me share my screen first. Okay, guys. Good morning from me as well, and I will answer to Patrick questions. Guys, before we answer these Patrick questions, let me share a picture with you. Okay, guys, this is a picture of the day. And let's sing it. You cannot see my screen. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen, guys? Just type if you can see my screen, a yes or a no, and let's sing all together. It's going home. It's going home. Yes, the British are out of the World Cup. Jeff, my friend, I'm sorry, but yesterday I had a crazy party at my house. They are going home eventually and leave us alone. This is Brexit too. Out of the World Cup, and soon the other Brexit will come. So yes, guys, they are going home. So we had our joke finally, exactly. So now, Patrick is asking me if it is a double top, and he's asking for these two tops. The correct answer is that this cannot be a double top. Why? Why? Because the periods between one top and the other top are less than 20 periods apart. So technical analysis clearly mentions that in a double top it's better to have two tops, 20 periods in between. If you take this, however, as a whole picture, if you take, let me put the shapes so that you can understand. If you take this as a double top, that can be a possible double top. This is the first top and this is the second top, only if we see a close below this level. So this can be a possible double top, but as you know by now, we need to see a break below this level in order to say that this is a double top, guys. But this on its own, I will not classify it as a double top. I will classify it more as a failure swing top bearish reversal pattern. The tops are in the same level. This was broken to the downside, yes, but the periods between this top and this top is less than 20 periods. So I will not classify it as a double top. However, this pattern as a whole, because it has more than 20 periods between these tops and these tops, if this level is completed downwards, then yes, we can say that that's a double top short-term bearish trend reversal pattern. Okay, have I answered your question, guys? All right, 10 times. All right, so Elif, have you finished with the indices presentation? Not yet. Okay, yeah, it's okay. All right, guys, as we said, the British have gone home, so we are only left with France and Croatia, and let's see what is going to be the football match result today. Yesterday it was halftime, me 0, Forex 1, and we reversed the match. We managed to close with a profit and reverse the losing position of $2,000 to a winning day of plus $1,100. Now, currently, I'm monitoring the pairs. Pound dollar, it will be interesting for short positions, but I still need to get some confirmation on that. So I'm waiting for short positions on pound dollar, but I didn't get the confirmation yet. Dollar CAD is not interesting for the moment. Aussie dollar is getting ready, guys. For the moment, the markets are very quiet. So I will keep quiet as well and not place any trades for the moment and wait and see. Definitely within the next 30 minutes, we will have some trades to place. I don't want to rush things. I will wait and I'm monitoring everything and I will let you know. Now, regarding the news announcements, and that's very interesting what I will show you now. Okay, guys, this is the dollar CAD of yesterday chart. The interest rates came out and we were live here, I think, with Alan and Richard Elif or Patrick? With George, with Alan and George, we were live here and we saw a 100 pips decline on dollar CAD. And then I woke up this morning and I saw the rate 200 pips with Patrick. Okay, and we saw the dollar CAD rate rising 200 pips, guys, despite the interest rate increase of dollar CAD. This is a classic example why we should not keep our positions overnight and why we should not trade fundamental news and expectations, especially in Forex. Because fundamentally, okay, it means that an increase in interest rates, the dollar CAD should continue to go down today. But instead of going down, look at what happened. So we traded dollar CAD because of the failure swing, as I have explained. Okay, the fundamentals for the moment, at that moment, supported our decision, and we made our profits. Now, for the moment, let's see what are the news announcements for today. We have at 12:30 jobless claims, CPI for the United States. 12:30, guys, it's a very important announcement. CPI. Expected figures for the CPI of the United States is 2.3, a bit better than the actual previous month figure of 2.2. 12:30 also we have house pricing index of the Canadian dollar. And that's all we have for the moment, for today. So 12:30 UTC time, a lot of news will come out that might cause some volatility, but the most important announcement for today, guys, is the CPI of the United States at 12:30 p.m. UTC time. Now, I saw that some of you have placed some trades. Patrick, what type of trade you have placed? Let me open a chart. Guys, have you placed any forex positions? On which pair, Patrick? On the majors? Has anyone placed any trades on the majors? As I said, guys, as from yesterday onwards, due to new margin requirements imposed by the ESMA, 30 times for major pairs leverage, maximum 30 times from the 2nd of August onwards. Huge changes in the leverage positions. And this is a kind reminder that if on the 31st of July you have positions and you are overexposed, have in mind that the margin you see there will be big. The margin requirements will increase a lot. So that's why I'm not trading anymore any other pairs except the 7 majors I have on my screen right now. So as I said, I'm not trading any others. However, since you are asking me about Aussie CHF, let me have a look on that. So I will choose now, let me see, is it on the FX crosses? Aussie CHF, all right. And CAD Yen. Okay, guys, we will look at both of them. Let me see, just a moment. So let's start with Aussie CHF first of all and see if we have any signals. Guys, it's still cooking. I mean, it's still getting ready for most probably short positions. For the moment, I'm not touching it. What type of position you are long? Okay, you are long. Okay, be careful, Patrick, with long positions. If you get some pips, just close it and get away. Hello, Mary, welcome. Croatia, Mary, Croatia, and you missed the picture of the day. You have missed the picture of the day. Okay, who is trading CAD Yen? CAD Yen. Who has a position of CAD Yen? George, in a few minutes, it might be very interesting for short positions. So maybe we have one trade there, but since I'm not trading any other pairs other than the majors, because I need to comply with the new requirements, maybe in a few minutes you will have a short position there set up. George, what are your thoughts? You are thinking of long or short positions? Please share your thoughts, George. Short, okay, but you need to wait for us to get the confirmation, and we can notify you accordingly. The only problem with CAD Yen is that I see a bullish cross on the moving averages. I mean, if I saw a bearish cross and I got this confirmation from the stochastic, that will be a great idea. However, you can still try it for short. It's a counter trend trade. It's good. I'm not saying that is not good, but at least we need to wait for a failure swing to be completed downwards and then enter the market. Of course, it's looking good for short positions. It's not bad, but we need to get some confirmations. So let me have a look for pound dollar. For the moment, the short setup has been cancelled. Dollar CAD, not interesting at all. Dollar yen, not interesting at all. Dollar CHF, not interesting. Euro yen, not interesting. Okay, guys, we are patiently waiting for the setups to be ready. And don't worry, we will definitely some nice trades either now or during the day. Nobody's rushing us, right? The purpose here is to make money. So, as I said, 12:30 UTC time, we will have the CPI of the United States. That's the most important announcement expected for the day. What else do we have, guys? We show the picture of the day. We talk about football. We saw the pairs. Nothing interesting for the moment. So what else? Any other positions you have, guys? Any other opinions that you would like to share with me? Croatia, of course, George. Croatia. We support Croatia, and I believe they can do it. And you know why Croatia will win? Because the French will underestimate them. And if you underestimate them, especially in a final game, what happens? You will lose, Patrick. You will lose. Okay. Anyway, I'm supporting Croatia. All right, guys. The amazing thing about Croatia is that they have played 3 matches with extra time and penalties. And I was amazed yesterday with their stamina, guys. They are in excellent condition. They are in excellent physical conditions. Hello, Allen. You are in Croatia, as I see. Okay, what's going on there? Give us a feeling. How are people from Croatia enjoying crazy? It's going crazy. Okay. Oh, drunk. Okay, they drink rakicha. Okay. All right. So for the moment, guys, we don't have anything important, anything attractive. As you can see, the markets are very quiet. Sorry for that, but for the moment, we don't have anything to say on Forex. I don't have anything to trade on Forex. I'm waiting for the right setups to be made, but definitely we will have some positions opened. Let me see the spread of CAD yen. It's 2.6 pips. Okay, guys. George, I think I will try it. I will try it short with you as soon as I have the setup. I will try it short. Why not? As soon as I have the setup, George, I will go short with you. Alan, is the third day that you are asking me about dollar Turkish lira, and it's the third time that I will tell you that I don't deal with it because it's a high spread. Good for you, my friend. Trade it, make money, but pairs that have more than 3 pip spread for intraday trading, I'm not trading them because they have a high transaction costs. If you are buying and selling Turkish lira and you keep your positions overnight, great move. No, Alan, don't spend your time. You're not going to try to convince me. Anyway, so as you can see, these are the normal spreads. These are very normal spreads, guys. And okay, maybe I put CAD yen as well in the list, but for me it's expensive. I want my trades to have less than 2 pips spread. CAD yen for me is expensive, not for intraday trading. I mean, if I'm going for 15 pips every time or 20 pips and 3 pips are taken away, they are taking away out of my losses, and if I hit out of my profits, and if I hit loss, this cost is also transferred on the loss. So when you are trading forex, especially for intraday trading purposes, and let's say that today, for example, I will open 7 positions, guys, of 3 lots, just to know what are your costs are. If I open 21 lots, 7 positions of 7 pairs, 3 lots each, and let's say the average 7 lots, it means 2,100,000, and the average pip of my transaction cost is 1.5 pip. This means that I have a cost every day to open the shop, let's say, $315. That's my cost to place 7 trades of 3 lots each with these tight spreads. So from the moment you would place 7 trades of 3 lots each, automatically you have a cost for all the positions you open, on average, per day, $315. Definitely don't do that, Alan. Alan is asking, should we move to an unregulated broker to avoid leverage changes? Unfortunately, this is what a lot of people will do. Okay. However, have in mind that when you move to an unregulated broker, you have some important risks to take into consideration. And the most important risk of all is your capital is at risk. Why? You can deposit the money, you can start trading, very good, very well spreads, excellent execution. But when the time comes to request for a withdrawal and you are in an unregulated broker, maybe you don't get your money back. Okay, maybe you never get your money back. And don't complain to SISEC or ESMA or any authority, because they will tell you, I'm sorry, you choose an unregulated broker, these are the consequences. Okay, so I'm not telling now that all brokers outside the EU are not trustworthy. However, depositing your money with an unregulated broker involves substantial risks, and the biggest one of all is capital risk. Perhaps exactly 30 times is a very good number, okay? And it's better to have a well financed account and lower leverage rather than a small account and high leverage, okay? The 1st of August on all the majors pairs Forex will be 30 times max. So what do we mean by that? Even now for 3 lots, let's say, now we have 100 times leverage here at TradeFW, for example. Okay, I just use the name of TradeFW because we are using it. I'm not promoting any brokers, so that's a disclaimer. Now, for example, now to open 3 lots, I need 3,000 euros because I have 1% margin. I need 3,000 euros. After the 1st of August, to open 3 lots, my margin requirement will be 30% of that. If I open 3 lots, this means that now it's 100%. It would be times around 30 a leaf. Yes. It means that I will need $27,000 to open 3 lots. So automatically from 3, we go to approximately 27 to 30,000 exactly. You will need 27K for 3 lots. Now we have 1% for 3 lots and we need 3,000. If it goes 30, it's times 30, guys. More or less. If I'm not wrong. Correctly, if I open 3 lots with 30 times leverage, if I divide 100 divided by 30, it's 33% basically. So if I open 3 lots, I will need a margin requirement. How much? Elif will make the calculation and yes. So we will make sure that we are telling you the correct figures. Basically, you are allowed with 30 leverage. Yeah, you will need around 27K, I think, to 30 to open 3 lots. But it doesn't make sense because it's 30. Anyway, we will get the numbers, guys. We will get the numbers and let you know. You want to transfer the screen? Okay.
Hello guys, here I am again. So just a quick update. I just opened another Italy 40 position and I saw Ellen telling me it's the last chance for Italy 40. He entered with me Italy 40 and he's saying it's the last chance for Italy 40. Hopefully it will go well. So basically, regarding the leverage changes and the margin we will need for one position to open. The calculation of margin is very easy. I will write it down for you guys so you know it. It's contract size, size multiplied by volume multiplied by market price. So divided by the whole factor divided by leverage. So there we go. And let's make the calculation for Euro USD. We go here on specifications. You see my screen, right? It takes a bit time today to see my screen. I will open also one Excel sheet so we do it together. Basically, right now, let's put it here. Let's do it like that, and here's our. So, okay, let's make it a bit bigger so we can see it. We take the example Euro USD. Euro USD, 3 lots. And our contract size is 100,000, as you can see here. Okay. And current leverage, our current leverage is 100%. So 100. Let's see. If we go now as it is right now, and the current price, let's make also the current price on Euro USD is 116,850. George is asking me, but why is 1 to 100 is written in 100%? Yes, it's in 100% because it's like 100 divided, it's 100%. This is the written way to write it. It's margin percentage or leverage. It's the same thing. So let's go. We make the calculation. We take contract size multiplied by volume multiplied by market price divided by leverage. There we go. So currently, to open 3 lots of Euro USD, you need a margin of $3,500. Okay. Let's put the same figure. Let's write it here. I will write it in the chat so we will remember. It's $3,505.50 on the current situation, current price. So let's say we reduce the leverage to 30. There we go. To open 3 lots of Euro USD, you will need 11 at the current price. You will need $11,685 margin. There we go. This is what we need. It is a very clear way to calculate it. You can use this, and yes, George, I just calculated it without the spread, but for this case, you don't really need the spread, because if you go long, you take the responsive price. If you go short, you take the responsive price at the market price. And the price is always changing. Like this is the margin level you need right now to open the position. Throughout the day, if you change the price, because then you see it later on the equity, if you change the price, this number will change also. And because this number will change, let me take it up, because when the price change, this will change, so your margin requirement over here will change as well. So very nice. Let's do the same example for DAX. Okay. Oh no, let's DAX is quoted in in euros, and because I have a dollar account, we need to convert it. That's why for easy calculation, I will take USD noted indice. Let's take USA 100. Okay, USA 100. We open normally USA 100 around 20 lots. And the contract size, I will close this. USA 100. Go to specification. This is the current specifications. So Mary is asking, so about the indices, what will be the new leverage, 1 to 20? Well, this is right now still under discussion, Mary. According to the regulation, it says major indices. And we are now still with the compliance department in discussion to define what is a major indice, what is counted as major indice. For example, it might be that Italy 40 is not seen as major indice. That's why I don't want to define it yet. It's still in discussion, and we will see. Yes, Mary, I don't agree either. But in this case, if I get a higher leverage, I don't mind to categorize Italy 40 as minor indice. So, Richard, and these changes in the leverage will affect all around the world, not only Europe. This is what he's asking. Basically, it is a directive announced by ESMA, the European Security, the regulator of the regulator. So it's applied on the European regulated brokers. Hence SISEC regulated and so on. And since we are SISEC regulated, it will be applied on our platform as well, Richard. So that's the way. So we go now. Let's make the calculation on USA 100. I see that Kyriakos has a small update. I will pass to Kyriakos and then we will continue from this point.
Okay, guys, I just wanted to inform you that we have placed our first position for the day, and I have posted also in our forum, in our chat room. We shorted pound dollar at 132.145. Our stop loss is at 132.30, and our take profit is at 131.89. Guys, as we have said before, for those of you who have just joined us, I don't have hair on my head actually, Patrick. We are without cameras. We will fix that and get back to you by tomorrow with cameras as well. So we shorted pound dollar, stop loss 132.30, the first trade for today's trading room, and take profit 131.89. How many of you have followed us on this trade, guys? Has anyone followed? Okay, Alan. Okay, for all of the other pairs, let's see what we have. For the moment, my other major pairs are not looking so attractive for the moment. Let me see here. No. Okay, George. I'm still waiting for the confirmation to enter a short position on CAD yen, my friend. We are just waiting for another small confirmation so that you can enter short CAD yen. Okay, my friend, you can take the risk. Of course, you can take the risk. So we are still waiting for the confirmation on CAD yen. More or less, yes, George, $50 from the spread. That's why I'm not trading pairs like any pair that has more than 2 pips spread is not attractive for me. So our pound dollar trade, we have shorted it at 132.145, stop loss 132.30 and take profit 131.89. Maybe we enter a second short position on top of that, maybe later, but for the moment, that's all we have, guys, here at Forex for the moment. So you need big risk today, big reward. We will try and do our best, my friend Patrick. So that's all I have here now. Elif will continue with the calculation on indices, Elif.
Yes.
Long after the drop because of interest rates. That was a very, very, very nice trade, Mary. So you went long after that. Okay. We have taken the short movement, but anyway, we both made money, and it's nice to hear that. So I'm giving you now to Elif again to explain the CFD's calculations. You catch the falling knife. Be careful, Alan. Next time you might cut your hand from the handle. Okay. Okay. Elif?
Hey guys, here I am. I will put my screen. Just tell me if you see it. So just a small update regarding our webcam. Patrick was asking Kyriakos if he has a bad hair day as well. Patrick, if you haven't noticed it, Kyriakos has no hair day all day. So he doesn't got a problem with this. However, going back to our calculations. So let's do the example on USA 100. I hope you see by now my screen. Well, let's say we trade a volume of 20, which is our general volume, which we trade normally. Our contract size on USA 100 is 1. So here is the 1. Our leverage will be 20, and the current market price on USA 100 is 7,265.12. So our required margin is again volume multiplied by contract size multiplied by market price divided by leverage. There we go. So we will need to open a position. Just a minute, something is wrong. Let me see. Oh, no. Let me see. Something is wrong over here. Let me see if I can. So we have volume, contract size. Yes, it's correct. So, and then we divide it by leverage. This is it. Let's put the current leverage is 100. With the current leverage, I got the calculation. It was just I thought I make the current calculation, and that's why I was surprised that I got such a high leverage result. Yes, the difference is big, George. It is currently, we need a margin of $1,453, and if we get the new leverage, it will be $7,265. So the thing is, we have to make also the calculation what our profit will be for each tick. We will do that also later on. With the comparison, I will prepare for you a nice table for the afternoon session, so we can see how the leverage change will affect also our profits, because this is the other thing. It's also important to see how this will affect our profits, because margin, in fact, you just need to open a position. So if you have a professional trader course, you will have a funded account of 180,000, and one position of 20 lots you will be able to open in such a environment. So it will be not a problem for you guys, for all the trader professional trader course attendants. So this is so far the calculation of the leverages. If you want, just send me an email and I can send you this calculation, and I will prepare for you guys for the afternoon also a nice table to see how these will affect our profits. All good, all good. We will do it. No problem. And for all of you guys who have a professional trader account, it will be not that difficult. So from myself here, from the indices, the market is quite slow today. It is unfortunately not really moving, so we can get any profits out of it. I mean, you see the biggest movement was done in the morning hours today. Afterwards, not much, unfortunately. Unfortunately, not much big movement. Ellen, minus 300 is nothing for Italy 40. Ellen is complaining that he's losing minus $300 on Italy 40. With Italy 40, we make within 10 minutes, if there is movement, thousands of dollars. So minus 300, it's only the spread. As Patrick said, it's only the spread. So nothing, it didn't move yet to give us any profits. You see from the time we open it how small the movement is. So no problem to worry about it. All good. So from my side, I don't see a big possibility to enter anything. Unfortunately, it's after such a nice volatile day as yesterday on gold, on some indices, on oil. Today it's a bit more slowed down. Dean is asking me why gold dislikes me today. I think it's because of my hairs. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know why gold is the last 2 days. It's a bit moving against me, but expecting the trade war, I'm quite positive with it. I'm quite positive with it. I just hit stop loss on DAX, just for you guys to know. I just hit stop loss on DAX. Italy 40 is also dropping a bit. Is dropping a bit, but still far away from my stop loss level. We are looking right now on the 15 minutes chart, on the 5 minutes chart, and it's a small drop. George made money on Nasdaq and Dow Jones. Oh, do we have any news right now? Yeah, we had a big drop actually. Let me see. investing.com. We had, let's see, on forexlive.com, what kind of announcement, because it's 3 minutes to go to the full hour. Normally there are some news out there. We are waiting here. Yes, USA 30 and USA 100 made a huge drop. It's a huge drop, guys. Let me see. What was the reason for that? Did Mr. Trump tweeted? Kyriakos, can you please check your Twitter account since you follow Mr. Trump if he said something new about, for example, the Germans? No tweets? You still follow him, right? So I see now in 1 minute the industrial production of euro will be announced, which is not a real big announcement, but still it looks like, I guess, that Trump did something and made So Trump is trumping, it's a nice saying. So today we are expecting also a Eurogroup meeting throughout the day. So throughout the day we will get some news from the Eurogroup. There's not a straight time. Now the industrial production was announced. Let me see how Italy 40 or DAX react on it. Let me take here Italy 40 and we go here. There we go. There we go, guys. There we go. This is nice. My DAX position would have made right now a lot of money, but my stop loss got triggered. Italy 40. Italy 40 is moving as well. I see, Ellen, what is happening with your USA 100 is jumping. Gold is not moving, and I don't know why, but Italy 40 is not getting higher than my entry point. The spread is not in my favor right now with Italy 40. But guys, this is, for example, one very strong example. My stop loss got triggered for DAX at 12,420, and now, and my take profit was at 65. Now the price went up to 60 and at 52. So if my stop loss wouldn't be so tight, now I would be in a profiting trade. But however, it belongs to the life of the trader, so it's okay. We don't mind. We look at the next trade. George is asking me again, made almost the same amount on the same assets, but the opposite direction. You can look at the chart, Dow Jones, Nasdaq. Yes, George, it's correct what you did. You moved, you scalped basically the movement. You scalped the movement, but it is very good for you. But what you did is mainly by chance. You know, spot on, Patrick. It's luck. You didn't really made it because of yes, when you made the money, this is go. So Peter, I'm not opening another position on gold. Gold is eating a lot of my margin, so I will leave it over there to see how it moves. And if I see a good possibility, I might increase my exposure, but not right now. Italy 40 started to make money. Ellen, how much you are making right now on Italy 40? I'm making $528, and I'm thinking to close my position. How about you? How much is you? Mary, why you are losing $150? I'm making right now 527. You entered a bit later, Mary. It's in plus. Good, 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 good. I'm glad about that. I'm glad about that. If my DAX position wouldn't have hit stop loss just because of this small movement, we would have now made my position, we would have made now a profit of around $700, but sometimes it goes like that. So our direction was correct. We decided correctly. Guys, with Italy 40, I think I will close my position now. Not because let me see how much I lost. $700. 640 on Italy 40. We are making 640. I'm thinking about closing it. But no, what I will do, guys, yes, I want a bit ching, but what I will do, I will get my take profit, my stop loss higher, so I will make in any case money. In any case, I will make money. So now I'm making $644 dollars, and in case that my stop loss will get triggered, oops, take profit, ching ching. I made $899 on Italy 40, ching ching. We closed our loss on DAX. This is great, ching ching. We made our $899 in 30 minutes, guys. In 30 minutes, we made $899. Thumbs up. What about you, Ellen? Tell me. Ellen, what are your trades doing? Just let me know, please. Great, great, great. This is how we like it. We want it, and I'm happy about it. So, Italy 40 was a bit disappointing me the last few days, but now I feel again that we are best buddies with Italy 40. So, Ellen, I can't hear. What are you doing? Yes, Mary, Italian Queen is back. Guys, do you watch Rocky Balboa? He was called Italian Stallion, or what was it? Yeah, Italian Stallion. Eye of the Tiger, and I just came up with that song. I don't know if you guys remember. Let's have a short look after it. That's his first adult movie. Okay, what do you mean, Patrick, adult movie? So, Ellen, I want your feedback about Italian Italy 40. I want your feedback until we get the feedback of Ellen. Since we don't have camera today, I will give you a small music possibility today. So guys, yes, great. And the Italian stallion is back. We made our first profit today, and I'm glad. And right now the market slowed down again a bit. I don't know if Kyriakos has any updates. He doesn't got any update. This afternoon I will explain you again how we can calculate the pip size and how the leverage change will affect our profits. So just come with us online. We will not have our live trading session today throughout the day because of some technical issues. We will come back later on at 1 UTC time, and we will talk. If anything will change, I will update you guys later on. So wish you a nice day ahead, and looking forward to see you at 1 UTC time. Take care, guys. Bye bye. Hello guys, I just wanted to inform you that I went short on Nasdaq, on S&P 500. We have a very nice constellation over here, and we just entered here a short position at 2,782, and my aim is to reach 2,779.80. This is my aim, and my stop loss. Let's put first the take profit to be on the safe side, and let's check now where we want to put our stop loss. There we go. I will put my stop loss a bit higher than the day's high. Yeah, because as you see, it's all the time hitting on this level, so I will put it a bit higher than this level over here. Let's go for it. So my stop loss will be a bit higher than, it will be 2,786. There we go. We just opened our USA 500 position, and we are aiming a drop. Let's have a look also on Nasdaq if we can see this constellation also here. Let me see. Yes, I will go short also on USA 100, and here I'm aiming 7,255.40. I opened a very small position just to have it running to get some profits in, and my stop loss will be at 7,273.50. Great. So I opened a USA 100, a USA 500 position. Now let's have a look on the Dow Jones. Oh, on Dow Jones, I have a nice formation. Here I can enter with a bigger position. I open here a 50 lots sell position. Just open the 50 lots sell position on Dow Jones, and I'm aiming here how much I should aim. The take profit should be around, let's put it here, let's be conservative, 24,807, and my take profit, my stop loss will be at 24,865. There we go. So we opened 3 positions on the US indices, USA 500 sell, USA 100 sell, and USA 30 sell. So let's see how it will develop. Thank you, guys.
Unmuted.
Okay guys, this is just a quick update that our second position sell stop order on pound dollar has just been triggered, guys. So now we are going with 2 positions of 3 lots each on pound dollar, guys. Our first take profit target is here for the first position, and the second take profit target is this one here. So I repeat, we are going with 2 positions of 3 lots each on pound dollar right now. All right. Oh my God, Patrick. Okay, guys, if we have any further updates, we will let you know. Currently, just for you to know, I'm looking for some setups to be completed. For the moment, nothing looks attractive. However, we have managed to place 2 nice trades, short positions on pound dollar. We will see how it goes, guys. Thank you. Hello, guys. How are you? I'm back again with good news, guys. Our pound dollar trade is approaching now our take profit, guys. Is approaching our take profit, just a few pips away from our take profit. Our first position now is very close to its target. Remember that is closing at 131.89. I'm switching now to the 5-minute chart, guys. We are just a few pips away from our triggering take profit trade, and that's the first $765 for today. Remember that we have 2 positions on pound dollar. So we are monitoring now the trade that is developing very well for us today. Actually, we only placed these 2 trades till the morning. Many more trades are yet to come. I'm quite confident on that. However, we need to have the right setup, guys. So we are now monitoring. Let's go around and check. For the moment, we don't have anything else attractive. So for the moment, we are ready to celebrate and get our $765 take profit order on pound dollar, just a few pips away. I strongly believe that we will pass these lows of the day, and eventually we will get our $765 for the day. Guys, a wonderful trade for the moment, but as I have said many times, we cannot party unless the trade is hit a take profit. So guys, we are monitoring our pound dollar trade. First position, remember that we have also a second position. So we have 2 positions of 3 lots on our pound dollar trade. I hope some of you have joined us, and it's breaking, guys, and we have just realized $765. Look at that, we are ready to hit our second take profit now. That's an additional $777. Come on, just half a pip away. Just half a pip away, guys. and we hit it. Let me see, guys. That's a break. Okay, I'm closing manually, guys. I'm closing. That's another $660 in just 10 minutes. We made now $1,425 from our only two positions that we have made, guys. I mean, it's amazing. We just closed our only two positions that we have triggered. That's $1,425 of our two positions of 3 lots each for pound dollar. And we are now left with no trades. Currently, we are up $1,425. Guys, I hope you have joined us on this. It was really amazing. This collapse was expected and we hit it, guys. I will let you know if I have any further updates. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are back. We are almost ready for short positions of dollar CHF and most probably on dollar yen. We are just waiting for our last confirmation and also most probably for long positions on euro dollar. All this will clear up in 4 minutes. Currently, our two positions on pound dollar have closed with profit. These are the only two positions we have placed so far. Currently, we are up $1,425. And in approximately 3 minutes, if we get the final confirmation, we will also enter short positions on dollar CHF, looking also for short positions on dollar yen, long positions on euro dollar and euro yen. However, euro dollar and euro yen need some more time. The one that is ready for a short position, and approximately in 2 minutes we will confirm that is dollar CHF, guys. So let's see how it's any minute now. In 2 minutes we will get the confirmation. That's why we have connected with you. Most probably we will get it so that you can see it live here, trading it, opening the short position on dollar CHF. Most probably we will have also short on dollar yen, most probably, and we are looking for long positions on euro dollar and euro yen in approximately 30 to 45 minutes, euro dollar and euro yen. For dollar CHF, if the price stays exactly as it is right now, most probably we will enter our third position for the day, our third trade, and this will be a short position on dollar CHF. So we are patiently waiting for the 15-minute candle to close and check if we get the confirmation. We will trade it now live in front of your eyes, guys. We will enter a short position of 3 lots, so we are getting ready. Just 30 more seconds. Let's see, we will get the confirmation. And if we do that, then we will enter our first position on dollar CHF short. Okay, just 15 more seconds for the 15-minute candle to close, guys, and most probably we will enter a short position. Let me check my stuff here. It looks absolutely okay. So 5 more seconds. Let me see. Okay, closed. Let's see now. We want the 15-minute candle to close. No, not yet, guys. We are waiting for the last confirmation to be made. For the moment, we don't have this confirmation. However, I'm closely monitoring it. We didn't get the confirmation for dollar yen either. Dollar CHF, no. Euro dollar, most probably the next 15 to 30 minutes we will get the confirmation. So for the moment, and euro yen, for the moment we are standby and I will let you know if I have any updates. Thank you. Okay guys, I'm back. We have just shorted dollar yen. Sorry, we have just shorted dollar CHF. We shouldn't short dollar CHF actually. No, short dollar CHF. Yes, correct, my mistake. So short dollar CHF, and also we will short dollar yen straight away. The setup is ready. So we just opened two new positions. We have entered short dollar yen at 0.9983. Now our stop loss for that trade is 99.98 for the dollar yen, and our take profit will be 99.58 guys. So I'm just posting that on the forum, in the chat room. So stop loss for dollar yen 99.98 and take profit 99.58. That's dollar yen guys. And dollar CHF, we have shorted it at dollar yen, sorry, we have shorted it. Let me see. We have shorted dollar yen. Dollar yen at 112.50. Stop loss 112.65. Take profit 112.25. So I just posted that on the forum as well, on our chat room. So stop loss 112.65, take profit 112.25. So these are the last two trades we have just placed. So let me check if I have any other setups. Euro yen should have a long position shortly. Dollar CAD not interesting, Aussie dollar not interesting, pound dollar we already traded, forget about it today. So we have just opened two positions. We have also shorted dollar CHF, remember, and we have also shorted dollar yen, guys. And I'm now monitoring euro dollar. If I have the right setup, most probably we will enter a long position on euro dollar. And euro yen is still behind for long positions. Euro dollar seems to be ready. However, if I have the position, I will update you accordingly. Apologies for the mistake. I have opened and closed by mistake a dollar CHF trade. I got a bit confused. This happens, guys. Don't worry. It's a very small loss of $18. My apologies on that. So we have shorted dollar CHF and dollar yen, and most probably we will build on them. Maybe we also open any second positions, but of course we need to wait and see how these trades develop. So this is our third and this is our fourth trade for the moment. We will update you accordingly of the progress or any changes or any new positions we might place in the afternoon session. Thank you very much. So hello again, guys. The reason I have connected is because most probably we will have a long position set up on euro dollar in approximately a few seconds. So I'm getting ready, guys, to buy euro dollar. Let me see, I want this 15-minute candle to close. Not yet, but at any time we might have a long position set up on euro dollar. Currently we have two positions running. We have shorted dollar CHF and we have shorted dollar yen. We are waiting a bit more and most probably we will enter a short position, a long position on euro dollar, guys, at any moment from now. Let me check other pairs. Also a long position is preparing on dollar yen and most probably on dollar CAD. So for the moment we are monitoring euro dollar for long positions, and if our confirmation comes, then we will enter long positions euro dollar, and of course, as always, we will update you accordingly. So stay with us, guys, and we will update you in case we have a long position on euro dollar. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are ready to enter long positions on euro dollar, and also we have placed the second position sell stop order dollar CHF at 99,803, as I have written in the chat. So most probably we will enter our long positions on euro dollar at any minute from now. Let me see. We are patiently waiting for the confirmation to be given. We are just waiting for the final confirmation. Let us see. Any minute now. Just a little more up, just to confirm that this reversal is real. Patience. I want this price to go at 64, 64, 65, and then most probably we will enter our long position. Getting ready for our fifth position for today. Bit more up. Let's see. Nope, not yet, guys. Let me check the closing time of this candle. 5 minutes. Okay, guys, we will wait and see how it develops. Wrong alert. So I will get back to you as soon as if I open this position, I will let you know. Thank you. Okay, guys, we have just shorted euro dollar at 116,685. Our stop loss is at 116.53, as you can see here, and our take profit is at 116.93. Okay, it doesn't look good for the moment. Perhaps we were in a rush to short it. However, we will see how this 15-minute candle closes, and maybe we will enter long again. In case our stop loss is hit, maybe we will enter a long position again here. So let me see. Come on, we need it to go up. So the dollar CHF is not doing well. Euro dollar is not doing well for the moment. Euro yen is ready for a long position. So I'm now closely monitoring euro dollar. So let me see. We hope it holds there. And most probably we will. Okay, we put it at 68. Yes, it's going up now. I think I will adjust my stop loss and my take profit accordingly, guys, on this trade. So let me see. It depends where it will close this candle. So dollar CHF is trying to go up. Doesn't look good at all, guys. Also, dollar yen doesn't look good. Euro dollar is not looking good. I hope that was not a false signal. Let me see euro yen. Euro yen is nice for a long position. Dollar cut, we will see, guys. Come on, euro dollar, go up, up, up. Okay, all our positions now are very close to hit stop loss, guys. As you can see, dollar yen started to go up again. Euro dollar is falling, euro yen is going up. Amazing. Very rare, but it happens. Okay, guys, what I will do, I will enter a second long position on euro dollar. I will buy again. So second long position, we bought it at 116.60. My stop loss will be at 116.45. So that's my stop loss. So we have two positions long euro dollar. They are not doing well, none of them, but I got a better entry level, and my take profit will be 116.85 for this trade, and we will see how it goes. So remember that we have entered long again euro dollar, second position. Our TP 116.85 and our stop loss is at 116.45. That's our second long position on euro dollar. As you can see, the other trades are not doing so well, very close to hit our stop losses. Let's see how they behave in the next few minutes. It seems most probably we will have a long position on euro yen. Interesting. and we will see what happens, guys. For the moment, I repeat, we are not doing so well, but as I said, we should wait until the last moment. We have our stop losses, protecting our risk, and we will see what happens. So euro dollar started to go up eventually. We will see how far it will go. Hopefully we don't hit stop loss. It's crucial levels now, crucial pivotal levels for all the pairs, guys. We will update you accordingly and let you know of our progress. Thank you. Okay, guys, we have just entered the long positions euro yen. So long euro Japanese yen at 131.32. Our stop loss will be 131.32. Okay, guys, we see that our euro dollar trade is performing great and we are getting ready to hit our first take profit, and we will update you if we hit it. So we bought euro yen, stop loss will be at 131.17 and take profit will be at 131.50. So that's the last most updated trade we have placed. Long euro yen, stop loss 131.17, take profit 131.50. Guys, this is the most recent trade we have placed. Now, as you can see now, we are currently up $1,300, $1,400. Our euro dollar trades are doing very well. We are ready to hit our first take profit, and we just hit our first take profit, guys. We just realized $762 of profit, and now we want also the second position to hit our take profit, just a few pips away. Come on, euro dollar, you can do it. And also our second position short on dollar CHF was triggered as well. So now we are going with 6 lots, 2 positions of 3 lots each on dollar CHF, guys. The day is doing very well for us. Currently, we have realized the profits of $2,168. We have so far 100% success rate in our trades. So we are watching now the euro dollar is started to go up as expected, just 10 pips away from our take profit, guys. Has anyone followed us on these trades? Just type your opinion in the chat room. We see now a sudden increase of the euro-dollar exchange rate as we have expected. The CPI of the United States dollar came out worse than expected at 0.1% versus expectations of 0.2%. Unemployment claims came better than expected, but of course it seems that the importance of CPI was much greater than the unemployment claims regarding the US dollar, guys. So we are monitoring now our euro-dollar trade. Let's go around and see if we have any further trades. We also entered long positions on euro-yen. It's declining a bit, but we believe that it will eventually go up. Nothing on Aussie dollar, nothing on dollar CAD. So most probably we will stay for this on these positions. We don't have any other trades for the moment. And maybe we will build on dollar yen. No, we will not build on dollar yen. We have made a nice build up on dollar CHF. We are going short with 6 lots. So we are long euro dollar, we are long euro yen, we are short 6 lots dollar CHF and 3 lots shorts dollar yen. Currently, as you can see, all our positions are in profit, and this is very good for us. Let me see, we are approaching the take profit level of euro dollar. We placed our take profit level at 116.93. I like a lot this candle. It's a nice candle, this one. Our first position has closed with a profit of $762. This is our third profitable position for the day. And we also have one more position on euro dollar that is currently pending to be triggered. So, we are patiently waiting, guys. Okay, euro dollar is trying again to go up. We are just 10 pips away from our take profit level. This is the 5-minute chart, guys. This is the 5-minute chart. Let me put the 1-minute chart so that we can see it more clearly. Come on, euro dollar. Nice momentum here. Very nice momentum here on the euro dollar. Very nice bullish momentum. It was built on euro dollar. Now we want, of course, this momentum to continue, not to see any throwbacks. And if we get close again to our take profit, we will update you accordingly, guys. For the moment, we are doing very well, as you can see. Let me check also euro yen. Perhaps I will enter another position on euro yen, 2 positions. However, I need to wait 5 more minutes for this 15-minute candle to close and decide accordingly, guys. Maybe I will enter another position on euro yen so that we have 2 positions on euro yen as well. Now, dollar CHF is at a crucial level now. We believe that it will eventually fall. Dollar yen is developing very nicely. I like it a lot. Euro dollar is developing nicely. This candle today covered almost all the candles of the previous days. If it holds there, it will be very good news for us, guys. And also I will monitor euro yen and see if I will open another long position as well on euro yen. It's declining now for some reason. Let me also check euro dollar. Okay, guys, I will let you know if we have any updates. Thank you. So hello, guys, and welcome to afternoon session. Can you hear me, guys? Can you see my camera? Can you see me? Hello, George. Hello, Patrick. How are you guys? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, just type yes. So let's see how we have done today. For the moment, we are up $2,169. 3 positions closed with profit, as you can see. And what do we have now, guys? We have 6 lots short dollar CHF, which is not doing so well for the moment, close to hit our stop loss. Also, we have opened a second position long euro dollar, is more or less where we have bought it. And we have entered also a long position on euro yen, guys. So it seems that shortly we will have setups for short positions on Aussie dollar and long positions on dollar CAD. So currently stand by for 2 more trades, most probably today. Our day for the moment has been very well. Now we see a bit of losses in our account, but this is part of the game as well. Don't expect all the trades to win. However, unless we hit stop loss, we cannot say that we have lost the trade. So I repeat, we have 2 positions of 3 lots each short dollar CHF. We have 1 position long euro dollar, and this is our take profit and this is our stop loss. And we have also opened a few minutes ago a long position on euro yen. Aussie dollar and dollar CAD are in monitoring mode now, and we will check them and update you accordingly. So we have the announcement of the CPI of the United States. It came worse than expected, 0.1% versus expectations of 0.2%, and most probably this has caused this jump on the euro dollar, and this has triggered our buy signal. But as you can see, for the moment, it's not doing very well. So, just 1 pip away from our first stop loss for the day on dollar CHF is at 95, and it's currently at 94.1. And the second stop loss for dollar CHF is at 98, currently at 94.1. I'm transferring you now to Elif to give you an update on the indices and commodities, guys.
Hello guys, hello, welcome to our afternoon session here at Trademy.com. So guys, I fixed my hair so you can see me today as well. So we have opened today one position on Australia 200. Until now, we never traded Australia 200 with you guys. And I saw a nice setup, and I said, okay, let's try it a bit. Here, I will show it to you. Let's try a bit. There is not much movement in general, but still to get just a bit to diverse our basket, you know. And we are making right now, because I opened a very small position and the movements are quite small, we are making right now $32. Not bad. I opened also a DAX position. Let me show you also my DAX position. We had this drop, and I believe it will continue to drop further, so I opened the DAX position, and also Italy 40. I went a bit short on Italy 40, as you see, very narrow, because today in general the market doesn't move with big movements, and I'm aiming small and stable profits, so I hope they will continue with a stable move down. Now the American opening, we have another 25 minutes to go for the American opening, so over there I hope to get some money in. In general, I wanted to talk with you guys also a bit about oil. As you know, oil had yesterday a huge drop because of the inventories. No, my hairs are not the best today. I don't know what happened. I changed my shampoo. So, yeah, we had a sharp drop over here, and it continues, and we will see how it will react. So let me see. Here DAX started again to move in our favor. Very nice. Yeah, gold. With silver, with oil. Oil had yesterday, due to the inventories, a sharp drop, as you can see here, and today it's very stable. It dropped to $70. It dropped to $70, and now since yesterday night it's been traded on $70. As I told you also the last few days, oil was traded in a very, very high price of $74. Since November 2004, it wasn't traded so high, and now it's quite, after the drop, it's quite stable and normal that it drops so strongly and stays so strongly. Furthermore, let me see, I'm looking forward for the American opening to see if we get any possibilities there to trade. Silver is also a very nice asset, and I'm considering silver to trade. Looks interesting. Looks interesting. I will go now long on silver. I will increase a bit my volume on it. I will go long. Let me check here as well. Yes, guys, I will go long. I'm going long on silver. There we go. With silver, it's always the problem is the spread. There is a huge spread. However, we went long on silver, and hopefully soon we will make some money on silver and get something into our pocket here. Let's have a look on the US indices. The US opening is very soon, and during the US opening, I'm expecting here to get some money in. Let's see also our Italy 40. Yes, DAX has a strong down momentum. Yeah, we are making money on DAX, we are making money on Australia, and we are making money on silver right now. Quite good development. My gold position from yesterday, I still keep it open because I want to see over here. Let's put also our gold. As you see, gold had a huge movement in the afternoon. On our silver position right now, we are making $300, guys. Silver position $300. This is great, guys. Look at these movements. 340, 368. Wow, guys. Wow, ching ching. We are very, wow, this is good. This was the perfect time of entering a gold position. Let me see, 480, 500, 500, 520. Guys, this is great. Let me see, 500. We make right now $500 on silver within 1 minute. Within 1 minute, guys. Is that incredible? That's great. That's great. Let's see where we. Yeah, I think. Yeah. No, I will let it run a bit more, and then I will. The market is moving very nicely in our favor. Where is my DAX position? Look at our DAX position. So DAX position was very close to hit take profit. I'm expecting here a profit of not much, $300. And silver, and where is Italy 40? Let's get also to Italy 40 to see Italy 40 also very close to our take profit. I'm expecting here a profit of $404. I trust these movements. They will move in our favor, and we will make some money. For everybody who didn't open with me, you still know it's now too late to open with me. We are making money on DAX, we are making money on silver, on Italy 40, and on Australia 200. Australia 200 is one of our new assets which we started to trade to diverse a bit our basket. As you know, hello Ellen, welcome back in the afternoon session. As you know, we have a saying, ching ching, we hit our take profit on DAX. Ching ching, we hit our take profit on DAX, $320, and it still continued downwards. That's good. That's good. So let's see the next one. DAX is gone. Let's see now what silver is moving quite nicely in our favor. Let's close it also soon so we make some money on silver. I will take it. Where is my take profit? Where to put on my take profit? I will put my take profit at 15,900. 900 I will put it at 15,930. Oops, 930. This is what I will put and see what will happen here. There we go, very close to hit our take profit, and we aim here a profit of $540. We will get there. It's nice. So the first 5 minutes, and we closed already DAX position. Let me see if there is a pullback on DAX. If there is a pullback, I will enter again. Here we go. No pullback yet. No pullback yet. Nice, nice, nice. So until we wait, let's check if we are expecting any kind of news. Small pullback on DAX. Okay, let me put a pending order on DAX. I put a pending order on DAX. Pending order. Sell limit. If the price goes at 12,000, at 12,456.20, we should, there we go. If the price goes up there, then I'm expecting again a push down, and I will sell again DAX. So great start in the afternoon. This is how we like it. Let's see what else we are expecting today from the afternoon session, except of the American opening. So here we go. We are checking on Forex Live. On Forex Live, what we expect. As you know, today there is a Eurogroup meeting, and we are looking for news from Eurogroup meeting to decide what's going on. Also, Trump is in Europe these days, so this might affect a bit the market. So for the afternoon, nothing much to expect except of the natural gas storage readings. But since we don't offer, we don't have natural gas on our platform, is not from big. It's not relevant. Also, Vasta report is announced, will be announced today for all of you guys who are trading wheat and natural and soya bean and cotton or sugar. Vasta report is very important to check out and see. Except of this, we are going quite good. Yeah. Okay, go. I'm wondering if I shouldn't wait so long for DAX to, because I see there is a strong downtrend on DAX, and I'm wondering if I should wait for a pullback or shall I enter right now. But no, I will wait for the pullback. Yeah, I will wait for the pullback, and then we see. Nice. So, and also for the opening, we have another 12 minutes to go for the American opening, and I believe over there we will make some money as well. So silver had this nice move upwards, went very nicely up, the correct time, how it should be. Now it got a bit slowed down, but I think the movement, yes, the movement, it's very clear the movement will continue upwards. You look at this, very nice, very nice. I believe it will go a bit higher than the previous high, and then it will drop, but I will see once this high is reached if I might take a bit take profit down and close the position directly. Great. I see that. So Patrick is saying, if my oil is $2,000 down, you went long at 70.99. Yeah, you know, oil, after such a movement like yesterday, when it went so big up. This is a moment where it might reconsider closing your positions and so on, Patrick, because you went long, because you expected that the price will continue going up, but this price movement was caused due to the inventories. You know, like you saw that inventories were at I think minus 12 billion, and it was less than the expectation, and there is a clear reason why this dropped. And in this case, you can't really expect that the price will rise. You know, since the big drop of yesterday, it's quite stable. And well, thanks God, your price is not that far from this current momentum. Just a small question: do you have any stop loss and take profits for this position, Patrick? It's very important that you save your positions, guys. This is very, very important, so you don't expose your account to danger. It's very important. So let's go back to silver. It's going well. DAX we closed. Let me see. You see it's struggling at this point. Might get triggered, and we have another open position. Let's see how it develops, and then we continue here. The US indices. Let's have a look at the US indices, 15 minutes chart. I'm tempted to go short on USA 500, but we have another 10 minutes to go for the opening. That's why I will not open now, right now, any positions on this. And I will wait the positions to move a bit, and then after the opening, I might enter here for the opening. The other thing which I wanted to mention, guys, just have in mind, tomorrow is a very important day for the US indices. JP Morgan is going to announce his earning releases, and as you know, JP Morgan is included in Dow Jones. So if JP Morgan's price will rise, it will have a direct effect on Dow Jones. As you know, I explained to you last week how the Dow Jones is calculated. It's a price-based weighted indices. So if a share within Dow Jones has an increase of the price, it will have a direct reflect on Dow Jones. So tomorrow, before market opens, the announcement will be done, and we will trade we will trade Dow Jones, guys. Get ready for tomorrow. Try to keep some margin in your account so we can trade Dow Jones. I can't wait for it. I'm looking forward for it. I see that Kyriakos has some updates. Kyriakos, please continue, but I might get into your conversation because of the opening. So feel free.
Thank you, Elif. So what happened, guys, in the meantime? One moment to share my screen as well. We have closed 2 positions on dollar CHF with a loss, and now our profits are down by approximately $900. We were 2,000 plus. Now we are plus $1,272. As you can see, both our short positions on dollar CHF have hit stop loss, unfortunately. So dollar CHF is moved to this side of the screen. Currently, we have one pending, a second sell stop order on dollar yen. We already have one position running, and we also have a sell stop order, and we have a long position on euro dollar and a long position on euro yen. at any minute now we should get this a buy position on dollar CAD, which is the next currency pair that looks very interesting. It's a nice day for us for the moment, with a bit more than $1,000 profit throughout the trading session. Some of the trades will lose, some of the trades will win. This is the current status of our account for the moment. Now, a good setup is made here on dollar CAD, guys, for long positions, and most probably we will have one on dollar CAD and a second on Aussie dollar position until the end of our trading session. So as you can observe, we have traded on all 7 pairs, 5 of them actually. We have dollar yen, euro yen, pound dollar, and dollar CHF. And now is the time to trade Aussie dollar and dollar CAD. Of course, we need to wait for the right setups to be formed. Dollar yen starts to go up a bit, nothing to worry about for the moment. We have a second position sell stop order here to be triggered, and we are patiently waiting for that. Euro dollar, CPI news, it has made a jump. This jump, I believe it has triggered the new trend for the day. The whole day it was not moving, and now it has decided to eventually move. Now euro yen is consolidating here. The problem with euro yen is that we don't want to hit our stop loss before we go up. Most probably will go up, but for the moment our stop loss is in danger. Why? Because it's close to the moving average of 50 periods on the 15-minute chart. I'm not moving my stop losses. I always have 15 pips stop loss from my entering price level. So dollar CAD, this candle has opened at 620. So this means that in approximately 620, so it has just opened in approximately 15 minutes. If we get a confirmation on dollar CAD, we will enter long positions. Also, we might get in approximately 30 to 45 minutes a short position setup on Aussie dollar. And we don't have any important announcements upcoming. We just have natural gas storage and 30-year bond auction. So let's go for tomorrow news. Nothing important, guys, for tomorrow. So I want to remind you that in case you wish to have a one-to-one session with us, and in order to assist you improve your trading performance, or if you want to design your system and you want some improvements on it, we are more than happy to assist you on that. You can arrange a one-to-one session through our educational support team at Trademy.com. I repeat that any performance you see in the LTR is just indicative. One-to-one sessions, the quality of the service we are offering is much higher than what you see on the LTR. Why? Because on the one-to-one session we will specialize on the needs of each trader on a case-by-case basis. What do I mean by needs? I mean development of a trading system that best suits you, development of a risk-reward and money management strategy that fits you, development of CFDs, indices, materials, and forex trading strategies that suit you, because maybe I'm a medium intraday trader, but maybe you are a short-term trader, an excellent short-term trader. So all of these elements will be discussed and evaluated in the one-to-one sessions, and we can adopt together a good strategy that best suits each one of you on a case-by-case basis, guys. So feel free to arrange a one-to-one session with us, and believe me, the value you will get, it cannot be expressed in words. So Trademy.com, you can contact our educational support team, and they will guide you accordingly as to the steps that you should follow to arrange a one-to-one session either with me or with my colleague Elif. So let's go around and see what the trades are doing for the moment. Dollar CAD, as I said, we might get a long position set up in approximately 7 minutes from now. Our dollar yen trade is a slide below our first entry level of short position. It has stuck there. I don't have an idea why. Euro dollar, I like the fact that it's consolidating above
the close of the candle caused by the CPI announcement, worse than expected, 0.1% versus 0.2%. Euro yen has now is now rebounding nicely. I think that if we break above this high, our chances of hitting stop loss will be minimized. So another trade that is currently developing well. As I said many times, we cannot celebrate unless we hit our take profit on Euro yen in our $680 on Euro yen. Dollar CAD, we are ready to get a long position set up. Aussie dollar, we will see if we will get a short position set up. Euro dollar, we are aiming for $735, risking $465. And dollar yen, with the current position, we are risking approximately $390 to get $677. Short positions, I repeat, on dollar yen. So that's all we have for the moment. Don't forget the second pending order, sell stop order on dollar yen we have just placed, and it was not triggered yet. It's very close to be triggered, just less than 10 pips away from our triggering price. Most probably this trade will be triggered if, of course, the course of dollar yen continues to fall. That's all we have for the moment. The US opening is approaching fastly. I think it's now, Elif.
Yes.
It's 4:30, so I'm transferring you now to Elif to see the US Open. And if I have any updates, please get back.
Hey guys, here I am again. So let's see what is happening on the markets right now. Let me see what's going on. If we have any kind of USA 100, which seems like sharp drop on US. Yes, we sell USA 100. We just sold USA 100. So we see USA 100 we sold. Let's see Dow Jones. What is Dow Jones doing? Dow Jones, no reaction. USA 500. No reaction yet. Let me see here. Okay. Let's say 500, very slow. Let's see on Dow Jones. There we go. Did it sell? We sold also Dow Jones with a huge. Yeah, we go. Well, it's a very strong down movement, and we will get some money in. We opened a sell position on USA 100 and a sell position on USA 100. Oh shit! Who? Oh. No problem. All good. So we see how it's going. Very interesting. If we open now some earning release announcement, I'm sure we have announcements which are positive and negative on the same time, and these are pressing the numbers in this way. But okay, we are used to this, and we get. There we go. We are making $440. $440 on USA 30. $600. $600. I'm closing with $1,140 on Dow Jones, guys. $1,040 on Dow Jones within 3 minutes. A great job, 3 minutes US opening, and we close our position. Let me see if we can open another one. What do you think? Shall we open another one? Let's see if we can open another one. Let's open another one. We opened another one. We took the risk and opened another one. USA 100. So we are going down, down, go down, USA 100, go down, USA 100. I will close USA 100. Go down, 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 down. Let's go down. Okay, go down, go down. Yes, there we go, there we go, there we go. Come on, I don't want much, I don't want much. I just want $200, $400, not much, 240, 400, 400, 400, 540, another 540, another 1 minute, USA 100 during the opening, great. So with this one, what we do with this one, guys, this one is going up, up, up. I'm short on it, so I will increase here my exposure and go on a buy position. I open the buy position and I will close my sell position of USA 100 with a loss of $200. So I'm able to 217, 200, yeah. Oh guys, I'm selling again. Go back a bit more, go back a bit more, pull back, so I can open another sell position on USA 30. Yeah, on Dow Jones. We make some money on Dow Jones today. Go back, pull back. Did we sell now USA 30? Again, we sold or it turned against us. Never mind, guys, never mind. We will get the money in. We will get the money in. So drop a bit now. We need a bit more drop. Drop a bit more, baby. What is it? I'm looking for a drop. Anybody with me on this trade? Anybody with me? So USA 100 is will make us also some profits in a short while. In a short while, it would start giving us profits. So there we go. Incredible. This is how we like the trading, opening of trading, guys. This is nice. And tomorrow when JP Morgan will announce the results, it will be really a boom. It will be a boom, and we will make boom, 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 and we make some party over here. We will party here. There we go. On USA 100, currently we are making $129, 150, 170. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I want another one trade in USA 30 to make another one profitable trade, and then I will close it. So here we go, here we go. We make on USA 100. $117 or $40, 70, 50, 60, $145 on USA 100, and now I'm focusing on USA 30. On USA 30, I'm focusing. I want to close this position, and then I believe that the move for the moment will be done. And we made also some money on it, and this is what I like. There we go, there we go. Drop a bit more, drop, 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 so we get some money in. I want a bit more money on this. We had a short pullback, and now it's going in our favor. Anybody with me? It's a great afternoon, guys. It's a great afternoon. This is why I like the opening hours. This is why I like the opening hours during earning releases. The market turned to be so volatile during earning releases. This is great. USA 100 is still struggling here. Go down a bit more. Few pips more. Come on, a few pips more. Go a few pips more. I want a bit more money here. I want a few pips more down. Go a few pips more down. Yes, come on. Silver didn't react at all. Now, slowly, slowly, the movement started to slow down. And this is a sign for us to go close this position with a big profit, with a small profit, and then we should close this position as well. We don't aim for much here because, as you see, the movement slowed down. We will make some money on it, but not as fast as our previous ones. 222, I'm sorry, 400. Come on, I want 400, 400, 400, 200, 320, 420. There we go. We close it to 420. That's the way, guys. We made great money on the American opening. That's the way I like it, guys. That's the way. That's the way. Whew. George we made a lot of ching ching. We made a lot of ching ching now during the opening. Let me calculate shortly how much we made. Let me calculate shortly. Or let's see what if there's anything else to get. Maybe through the pullback will go. So let me see, where is this? That's why I love the American openings. Guys, I'm tending to go long now on USA 100. It had a pullback. Yes, Alan, it's easy money. It's easy money. You have to be cold-blooded, and it's, oh, guys, our sell limit on DAX didn't got triggered, and look at this nice movement, and we missed it. But however, we can't get everything, guys. We can't get everything, right? We can't get everything. But I will still go short on DAX. I will close this. I will go short on DAX. So we get also something from there. Did we go also short on USA 30? So DAX is already in profit. USA 30 is almost there. Yeah, USA 30 is giving us right now $200. This is ching poor, guys. This is ching poor, but we have to be careful now not to get too over exaggerated. But this is ching poor. This is easy money. It's really easy money. That's why I love to trade during earning releases, guys. That's why I love to trade during earning releases, because during earning releases you can, this is these unique possibilities during earning releases to do this kind of trades and this kind of possibilities. For anybody who didn't enter with me, Dow Jones, if you do it right now, you will get a much better price. This is Kyriakos, if you want to interrupt and sell something, please feel free. I have now my positions open.
Okay, just to mention that we have entered a long position on dollar account.
So, incredible afternoon. I like it. Guys, I want that Dow Jones. For anybody who didn't enter with me, Dow Jones, now it's a perfect time to enter Dow Jones short. It will continue to go down. You know what, with DAX, I will just close my DAX position with a profit of, I want the profit above $100. I don't want it so small. I want a bit more. It's just a, and there is no, come on. It's nice, get it also on the 1 minute chart. There we go. Yes, this is how we want, but you see the movement slowed down. It will continue to fall, but it's a bit slowed down. Patrick, great and great. Let's see what oil was doing right now. What happened during the opening with oil? I didn't check it. Woo. Oil. Good. Oil is also going up right now. On DAX, I'm making $150 in 3 minutes, $200 in 3 minutes, $235 in 3 minutes. That's the way. We are scalping, we are this is how we like it, guys. This is how we like it. Now with Dow Jones, let's see what is happening with Dow Jones. Dow Jones, now Dow Jones is giving us 170, 280, 400, 600, $600. Come on, give me $600 and I will close it. $600, 620. There we go, $620, and I close $620. Oh, Dow Jones, ching. Guys, this is a nice afternoon. What do you think? This is a nice afternoon. This is how we like it. So, oops. This is what we want. Ellen, why I closed? Because the movement start to slow down, and I'm okay with $600. No, I'm not missing. I'm just saving my position. You can leave it run if you want. I would like to close it because I went with a high exposure. I got this profit in, and I'm waiting for the next pullback. Like you see on DAX right now, there is a pullback, and I can enter again with with a better price and get the movement again. That's the reason why I close it. Let me see on DAX. Shall we sell it again? We sell it again, guys. We sold DAX again. We sold DAX again. And on Dow Jones, you see it. It falls and then it goes a bit up and then it falls again. And now it's the time that it will go up again a bit and then it will fall. That's why I close it and save my profits. That's the reason behind. That's the reason behind. That's the reason behind. And you know what, guys? I'm quite satisfied. I'm quite satisfied. I'm quite satisfied. Ellen is asking me why I don't adjust stop losses. Yes, Ellen, you are right. I could adjust also my stop losses, but to be honest, the trades I'm entering so fast, the trades, that I don't even have the time to set stop losses. You notice how fast we have been trading. It was like we opened trades and closed trades within a few minutes. Really, we close, open, and trades within a few minutes. So not much time to react on that. That's why I was not closing them. So guys, look at this picture, guys. Why this moved again? So what happened here? Let me see to make it a bit. Something moved. However, look at these guys. Since this is the first trade we put, okay, 1040, 500, 120, 300, 200, 500. This is a great afternoon, guys. This is a great afternoon. Flashing trades, and we are happy about it. We are happy about it. And yeah, why not, guys? Why not, right? Why not? This is how it should be. This is how we should be able to trade. And this is something which I'm planning to do from now on, especially tomorrow during the opening. This is what I'm planning to do, because there is this earning release time, and during earning releases, you can do this and flash the markets. You might not trade the whole day long and make your trades now, and you get all in and great possibilities to trade. It's so nice. So you see here now on Dow Jones, we exit and it started, the movement is almost over. It's almost over. It will slow down. Look, we will not, from now on, we will not make very fast profits. We will make slower profits, but still it's a great afternoon, right? Let me see how much money we made since within 15 minutes. Let me see how much money we made. We made 1,040, 1,580, 1,600, 700, 2,000, 2,070, 2,900, 2,900, $2,900. We did less than 15 minutes. I think we can go to the beach, right, guys? A nice afternoon trading moment, and hopefully from tomorrow onwards it will continue like that. The guys, Kyriakos, do you have any updates?
Yes, Elif. So we have opened, closed some positions. Let me share my screen in order to update you accordingly, guys. So far for today, we have hit 3 trades take profit And in the afternoon, 3 consecutive trades hit stop loss, 2 on dollar CHF and 1 on dollar CAD. So with a 50% success rate, currently we are up $920. These are our positions we currently have open for the moment. I have opened a second buy position on USD CAD. Most probably that will be another stop loss for us. However, we need to patiently wait for that. Also, our set stop order on dollar yen was triggered a few minutes ago. I leave you have an update.
Yes, sorry for the interruption. I just closed also my silver position with a profit of $460. $460.
So we have our set stop order on dollar yen was triggered. So that's 2 positions of 3 lots each short on dollar yen. But as you can see, the price is very close to the stop loss of the second position. And also we have long euro dollar. After the news announcement, it is stuck there, it doesn't move. And of course, don't forget our long position on euro yen. So guys, most probably these will be our trades for the moment. We have placed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades realized. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades currently open and pending. I don't think we will get the setup for a short position on Aussie dollar. So I believe these are the positions we will stay and stop for the day. As I said, we will keep them. We will not close anything since it is not Friday. Only if it's weekend we are closing our positions. We will keep them and we will see tomorrow how these trades are performing. What I would like to stress out here is that look how important the money management of your trades is. I mean, with a 50% success rate, we are up $927, guys, for the day. Just with 50% success rate. This shows the importance of money management and risk management in your trading decisions. So that's all from me for the moment. I will not close, I will not move any stop losses, neither I will open any additional positions. Aussie dollar, the setup is cancelled, it doesn't look good for the moment. We have entered, I repeat, a second long position on dollar CAD, is not doing well. And also our set stop order, second position on dollar yen has just been triggered, is not doing well either. Our best performer for the moment is euro dollar, and euro yen are in the money as well. We will see how they perform, and of course we will update you accordingly. So for me, guys, that's all for the day. I'm keeping these positions, and when we come back tomorrow, we will check how they have performed. Elif, you have any updates to say? Okay, guys, this is the end of today's trading session. We would like to thank you very much for your participation. We really appreciate your company and all the valuable experiences we have. We just hit, guys, our 4th consecutive stop loss on our second position on dollar yen. So we are left now with only 4 trades. We still have 1 short position on dollar yen, long euro dollar, long euro yen, and long dollar CAD. That's all from us, guys. We would like to thank you very much for your participation once again. Enjoy your evening ahead, and we will see you tomorrow at 1 o'clock, at 8 o'clock UTC time. Elif, you have an update? Okay.
Not an update, just a summary. Just a summary of what we have done. Basically, within 15 minutes, guys, within 15 minutes, we have a total profit. We reached a total profit of $3,071, guys. $3,071 within 15 minutes. Ching, ching. This is what I wanted to add. And as you see right now, the markets are starting to go to their normal level, back to their normal level. It's okay, let them run, and we will see you tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock UTC time. Within 15 minutes, $3,000, not bad. I think we could do every day like that, right? So in this, with this idea, let's meet tomorrow again, and we trade tomorrow again. So bye bye, guys.